Today I want to share this amazing new bundle and news that my design, which is this one from my Artisan Craft SVG shop, uh, the cross stitch Christmas ornament is a part of the kids Christmas SVG bundle on design bundles. So how to get to this bundle? So if you go to design bundle main page, which is designbundles.net, and then like you can see a lot of designs here, and you have to go to bundles and big discount bundles. So go there, and here you will see the kids Christmas SVG bundle. We will go there, and now let's look at it. So my design was selected for this bundle, and on designbundles.net, it's a online marketplace which sells craft files, SVG, sublimation, etc. So they invited me to be a part of this bundle and my product, which is this one. So my product is this cross stitch Christmas ornament, and there are many other designs. So this is for children. So let's see. Now this is my design in my shop, Artisan Craft SVG. Now let's look at it. So what this product is, it is a Christmas ornament file and a card file. Uh, so files for download, you will get a ornament with cross stitch grid and card cut file and card cut file with score line, which will if you have a scoring wheel in cricket, then you can use this, otherwise use this simple card cut file. And then files for download, and I made this cross stitch pattern, but it can be like, this is one idea, like this is a suggestion that uh, this ornament, this type of design can be made on this. So here it is. So this is how it looks like. So cricket cut this red card in a minute, and this ornament, believe me or not, it is cut under 4 minutes or 5 minutes. That's it. Every hole, this was cut properly and without any problem. And these are like, I have collected all of them. I will use them as a snowflakes in some other project. So this is how it looked like. And so this is how big it is, you can see. And this is, I just put this pattern on my iPad, so I can count these cross stitch stitches. So they are big, I can count them easily, so it was really easy. So this is just a suggestion to put it on a tablet or something big which you can count the stitches easily. And lastly, this is the video I made to show how this project is going to work. So here it is. Let me make it bigger. It is going pretty fast. So it is showing how so just to show that this. So again, this project is on designbundles.net. Here it is. And if you go to design bundle website, the main page looks like this. You have to sign in, or if you are a plus member, and then all these designs are here. So go to bundles, big discount bundles, and the kids Christmas SVG bundle is here, and my design is a part of this bundle, which I'm really thankful to Design Bundles that they give me this opportunity to be part of their amazing uh, platform, part of their amazing bundle. And here is my design, and rest of the designs are high quality, wonderful artworks which will be good for children. So thank you very much, and I just wanted to share this amazing news that my design is a part of this bundle. Thank you. And the link for the bundle will be in the bio, so you can go to design bundles and purchase this design and make amazing crafts. Thank you.